we're back. So now we're going to be talking about what is a project and what is its definition and what is it defined as. They say a project is a temporary endeavor which is undertaken to create a unique product or service. If we're looking at the term temporary, it means that it has a beginning and an end. It's an endeavor, which means it involves effort and work that is put into it. To create means it has the intention to produce something, such as a deliverable, which is the term that is used in project management. It's a deliverable, right? It's unique, so it's one of a kind. It's rather than a collection of identical items. So let's say, for example, we started a factory which manufactures nail polish, for example. We've started it, we've planned out how it's going to be, how it's going to work, how the layout is, how much is going to go into every bottle, how the bottles are going to go on the conveyor belts. The moment the first one is created, it's still a project. The second one is created, it then becomes an operation that's running, all right? It's a product, which means it's tangible objects. It can include anything from designing computer software to theatre, film productions, to birthdays and weddings and events, construction projects, anything that is defined as a project that is tangible, right? And then it's a service. So it may include the startup of a daycare center, for example. And but however, if you start up the daycare center, like I said earlier on, if you do start up the daycare center, the moment it starts running and it's in motion and it's busy working, it then falls under operations management. So that's why project management and operation management often go interlinked. Before I end off the session, I do want to let you guys know that a project has to consist of three elements. There are a few more, but the three main elements that it has to comprise of is the scope, so what it's going to be about, what it entails. It's got to be within a time frame, so a certain time that has been determined, and within a certain cost or budget that has been agreed upon. If your project does not comply or does not fall within what you expected from it to happen, within the time frame and to the agreed cost, it's not a successful project. So I'm going to move on to the next session. I'll see you guys there.